Good evening and welcome to Westonbirt for their Christmas celebration.
For centuries I have stood tall, witnessing seasons change and the stars dance. But on these enchanted nights, the forest awakens with a special magic.
Okay. That was a nice warming welcoming introduction. The trees look so pretty all lit up, don't they? And as you move through the trees, you'll see these different kind of art installations. This is a better video of us.
Where am I?
Put it on the wall. Smile, you're on lighted camera. And we have all these lighted trees. Whenever exploring these places, always remember to look up as well. There seems to be a very musical interlude coming up here from the corner. I love all these interactives. You kind of push the button, it triggers the lights and music in the trees. I know I've already said it, but the trees are so pretty. Just all lit up. So this one's another interactive one. There's a little board in front of us here. You push the buttons and it activates these lights. So it will be unique for everyone who visits. So what's also good, as you come around the trail, if you need a hot drink or some cider, there's little booths around the trail, so you don't have to get all your drinks at the start. It's so pretty. I love mirror balls, and this in fact just looks so cool. Also, there's one over there as well. Very pretty. Didn't think you can see it, but it's a very cool effect. Now this is pretty. You've got this blue tree here. It's this fine little field of fire. Oh, it has sound effects as well. Oh, that's so cool. This is quite cool. It reminds me of Spirograph, but I'm not sure if it's coming out very well. So if you can see it, yay. Otherwise, visualize Spirograph. And if you watch out for the giant puddle in front, this looks like a lot of fluorescent string in the trees. I think this one's come out a little bit better. Definitely see the Spirograph patterns. I just can't get over how good the trees look. They're so pretty. And a more Spirograph-like pattern.
Good evening, travellers of the twilight woods. As you journey forth, let the breathing trees guide you. Each breath they take, a whisper of life, a murmur of ancient secrets. They stand as guardians of time, keepers of stories untold. Listen to their song, a song of resilience, a melody of harmony with nature. Remember, dear wanderers, as the stars twinkle above and the cool earth hums below, you are part of this eternal dance, this symphony of life and light. Farewell, and may the wisdom of the woods always be with you, lighting your path this night and beyond.
And of course, what light show would be complete without a light tunnel? and we exit out of the trail the way we came in, into the winter village area. There's a few rides and a few food stalls on this, so I'll give you a little show at those as well. So we have a Dodgems here. We have a Ferris wheel. This Ferris wheel we saw going early. It goes very fast and it goes backwards. If we sit in action, I'll show you. They also have little fairground games here as well. There's a little train ride, circle train ride over there, and a reindeer ride over there. But yeah, I indicated this right now, but yeah, it goes backwards, open air, feet dangling off. No thank you. They've got a little bar, traditional sweets, which sells mainly fudge over there. You can just about see the reindeer riding over there. I'll give you a show of that in a minute. And some traditional food stalls. There's some jacket potatoes, falafel, burgers and hot dogs, hot chocolate, all the good stuff. So what did I think of Enchanted Christmas at Westonbirt Arboretum? It's a nice little fun little event to go around for Christmas. If you liked this kind of thing, check out my Christmas playlist, but also check out a very similar event, which was the Bristol Light Festival. I'll put links to that here, and I'll see you there.